Welcome to Monaco. Today I will introduce you to Le Chateau d'Azur residence in La Rousse-Saint Roman area. The residence is accessible from the Boulevard d'Italie and the Boulevard du Larvotto. Larvotto Beach and the new eco-district Mareterra are only a few minutes walk away. Our guide will be my colleague Stephanie from Valeri Agency.
Larvotto is the area where Monaco's public beach is located. In the background, you can see the newly completed district of Mareterra. It's a wonderful place to live in Monaco, offering opportunities to walk, relax on the beach, and visit cafes and restaurants. Overall, it's a lovely area. Le Chateau d'Azur is right behind this building. We're going to see an apartment on the 15th floor. You'll enjoy a beautiful view, and you can walk down to the beach in a couple of minutes.
We will see a one-bedroom apartment of 58 square meters.
I'm excited to show you a lovely flat that I personally like very much. It has been recently renovated and is the perfect place to stay in Monaco. As you can see, the renovation has been done exceptionally well. The flat features a cozy little kitchen, despite its compact size. It is very comfortable and contains everything you need to cook, which is not always the case in Monaco. There is ample space, and all the necessary appliances are provided. In the living room, you'll find a table, a large sofa, and of course, a TV. It's a beautiful day today. I unfortunately forgot my sunglasses. We have a stunning front view of the Mediterranean Sea. From this point, you can also see Larvotto Beach. In addition, you can view Le Rocher de Monaco and the new Mareterra district. On the other side is Cap Mater, and directly below is Sporting, which hosts concerts and offers plenty of entertainment during the summer. A little further over the mountain lies Italy. We are in a well-furnished bedroom filled with details, including sockets for charging smartphones. The big surprise lies behind the cupboard doors. When you open them, you'll find ample space for your clothes on each side. Adjacent to the bedroom is a bathroom that features an Italian shower, along with a sink, toilet, and bidet. But there's even more. Hidden away, there is a spacious walk-in wardrobe. There is a guest toilet at the entrance.
So, do you want to live like this? Please write in the comments. And if you need help finding a home in Monaco, Monte Carlo, feel free to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. All my contacts are in the video description. And like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you soon in Monaco.